Blue 2002. Laguna Seca blue. We've got everything dialed in underneath as I've shown you on other videos on the channel. Now we're starting on the suspension. The rear coilover is already on, and we're gonna work on put it on the monster rear end here with all new axles, bushings, and everything like that on the front. And that's what we're prepping right now. The boys are tearing up the old suspension, and I'm gonna redo it and put all new bushings in, reinforce a couple things. Continuing with the 2002, we've got our monster rear end set up. So this uses the E30 differential with the E36 dual ear rear cover. Custom heavy duty axles, modified rear subframe with the camber and caster welded in. So you have the eccentric bolts to be able to adjust. And that'll go into the 2002, which will make it pretty much bulletproof. We haven't had anyone break this setup. And we've got guys that are running over 600 horsepower and with no issues. So this is a proven design, proven setup that we've built for many years. Now we just got to get it in the car. We've got the monster rear end installed. We've got right here new bracing welded in, and we give you this little bracket here to weld into your car, so that way you can weld it in, and then you can bolt in the dual ear mount E30 differential. You can see our coilovers are installed, and you can see the axles. And on this build and a lot of the 2002s, we're using the ST sway bars. We like that combo. It works really great. We've got new e-brake cables that'll go in next week. Get rid of these crusty ones. And we're also going to convert the rear to disc brakes. On the front, the tunnel will be welded back in. Originally, this car was going to be an F20 car, and then that owner sold this car to another customer, and that customer wants to do an s14. So the original tunnel works just great. So we're going to redo that. All of the new parts are already installed. We've also added bump steer correction plates right there. And we'll also upgrade the brakes in the front. We'll do our big disc conversion, big brake upgrade. And you can see new bushings put in. Slowly making our way on this. All right, everybody, have a good one. Peace.